Hey guys, today let's learn how to do the half swipe on Snapchat. So if you guys are wondering how to create or execute the half swipe on the Snapchat application, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step. So in order for us to basically do this is going to be pretty easy. All we need to do is to launch the Snapchat application first, and in order for us to execute the half swipe properly, I would like you guys to proceed with tapping on your DM section and then choosing the specific person that you'd like to go ahead and do a half swipe on. And once you're there, basically proceed with putting your thumb over their profiles and then swiping from the left to the right. So basically you're going to have the option to view their snaps, but not necessarily rather seeing them or making them aware that you have already seen their message. So as you would notice, basically that easy to do the half swipe on Snapchat, and basically the chat is still not seen. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe, and take care.